Welcome to my channel MediCare. Please subscribe, like, share and press bell icon. Thank you. Top 5 benefits of uses Aloe Vera Gel. Aloe Vera Gel is a versatile natural remedy that has been used for centuries for its numerous health benefits. Now we will discuss top 5 benefits of uses Aloe Vera Gel in this video. Number 1 is Soothes sunburn. Aloe Vera Gel is a great natural remedy for soothing sunburned skin. Its anti-inflammatory properties help to reduce the redness and irritation associated with sunburn, while its cooling effect helps to ease the pain. Number 2 is Moisturizes skin. Aloe Vera Gel is an excellent moisturizer for the skin. Its lightweight texture is easily absorbed by the skin, providing it with much needed hydration without leaving a greasy residue. Number 3 is Reduces acne. Aloe Vera Gel has antibacterial properties that make it effective in reducing acne. It helps to kill the bacteria that cause acne and also reduces inflammation, which can help to minimize the appearance of pimples. Number 4 is Relieve skin irritation. Aloe Vera Gel has a calming effect on the skin and can help to relieve skin irritation caused by conditions like eczema, psoriasis, and rosacea. Number 5 is Promotes hair growth. Aloe Vera Gel contains enzymes that can help to promote hair growth. It also helps to nourish the hair and scalp, making it an excellent natural remedy for treating dandruff and dry scalp. Conclusion. In conclusion, Aloe Vera Gel is a versatile natural remedy that offers numerous benefits for the skin and hair. Its anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and moisturizing properties make it an excellent natural remedy for soothing sunburn, reducing acne, relieving skin irritation, and promoting hair growth. Regular use of Aloe Vera Gel can help to improve the overall health and appearance of the skin and hair, making it a must-have in any natural skincare routine. Thanks for watching our channel MediCare. Please subscribe, like, share and press bell icon. Thank you.